Alright guys, this is Healing Wysocki, back with another video for you today. Today what I got for you is a, let me get this right, it is called the RidgeRoller Custom Backpack. So RidgeRoller is a company that makes golf carts, just like the Wysocki, for disc golf. And RidgeRoller, they primarily make golf carts, and either carts for backpacks or carts just for discs. For disc golf. This is the backpack. I've actually been wanting to try one of their backpacks, and the unique thing about the backpack is that it's actually has a seat built in. However, this one is a Wysocki edition, and it went on sale during Worlds, and I've been meaning to get one but never got my hands on it. I just came back from Ledgestone Insurance Open, and they happen to have this for sale there. And it was on sale at the same price as online. So I figured I'd buy it local and support the local shops. So that's what we have here today. Sorry if my voice sounds a little off, but I was doing a lot of cheering at Ledgestone. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it. It's my first time seeing it in person, and I like the color scheme of the Wysocki. He's got a raptor theme going on with his raptor destroyers, and so this bag is kind of modeled after that theme. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it, and then I'm going to give you my first impressions and do a review of it later. I do have a ton of review for a ton of golf because the end of the season is coming, and I'm going to do a bunch of review and post those later. But anyways, let's dive into it. So it comes with this bag like this, and the bottom is tape. So I've already kind of untaped it so that hopefully I'll make this video go a little bit quicker. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. Alright, so off the bat, that looks freaking great. I love this raptor. It's pretty awesome. So it's like a kind of a dark blue with the raptor design into it, and the material feels very thick. I believe it is either 600 or 800 D Cordura. I might be wrong, might be a bit more. I think this is version 3. There's a version 4 that's coming out right as we speak, and they're on pre-order right now, but I really want the Wysocki version because I just love the color theme compared to their solid colors on their bags. So first impression, this is the seat that's built in here. I'm going to sit on it really quick so you can see. Just like that. Yeah, that's actually really nice. That's actually pretty cool. And then we have some straps here, which I'm not sure. Oh, I believe this is for their cart. So I'll take that off and we'll put that to the side, but I believe this goes on the cart. If I was to want to put this on one of their carts. Okay, so first there's the strap here, which I believe is for the umbrella. We got D-rings here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it to the side, and I love the materials. There's a patch here, the Wysocki patch, and I can go ahead and remove that, put something else there. There's pencil holders right down here, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's Velcro over here. I believe usually this part is not Velcro. It's just normal Cordura like this for the pencil pocket, and but this they put the Velcro for, I think, for the Wysocki patch. And here's more pencil holders here. I think this is new. This may be version 4. I don't really know, but regardless, it's so far. I think the bag looks cool. Really cool. And then we got a cup holder down here. The cup holder does have a little hole on the bottom, and I love the fact they put a little grommet here so that the fabric doesn't get frayed over time, and that's to help drain. Then we have a pocket here. Yeah, and as you can see, the raptor is pretty cool. The raptor design. Okay, then moving from there, we got a pocket up here. And I believe this kind of stretches a little bit. Yeah, just like that. I'll go ahead and put the discs in later so you guys can see. But right now, we're just looking at open the pocket. Inside there's this drawstring, which I'm not really sure what it's for. Oh, it's a Rainfly. Oh, that's pretty cool. It comes with a Rainfly. So I think that's cool that the bag comes with Rainfly, so I don't have to purchase separately. So this bag's already winning for me. That's brownie points right there. And then there's the rest of the inside right there. Both my hands can fit in here perfectly fine. It's a really deep pocket, honestly. Then I'm gonna leave that open so that I know I can pour into it. Another pocket below that. Again, another deep pocket. That's pretty cool as well. And then we got the Wysocki 2-time signature right there. Now we have the main compartment, again the rafter logo. It's called, its nickname is Wysocki Bomb. And inside you can see, oh shoot, sorry, the frame right there. See that? Yeah, there's the frame. And that's what makes this bag quote unquote built-in seat. So yeah, so it's a little heavier than your normal average backpack, but it has a seat built in, so I don't have to carry a separate seat. So right now, it's a hefty bag compared to other bags I've used. It's about 6 pounds, I believe, as it is at empty. I just love this design. We got the Ridge logo down here in the Raptor font, and then we have, this is the straps that the buckles get strapped to, again, one of the RidgeRoller carts. And this backpack can sit on the cart, and then you can utilize it as a seat, and then you have a cart to roll it around. So you don't have to, not having to carry it on your back. Okay, moving to the side. We already went through some part of this, because I got a little sidetracked. We got, again, zippers. They're not YKK zippers, or at least it doesn't say that on there, but it's got like a little loop, and it's got the Ridge logo on it. So let me show that to you. Hopefully the camera will catch it. Yeah, there you go. It's got the Ridge on the rubber piece right there. Open up this pocket, and inside the pocket, there's another pocket. And the pocket is pretty big. Let me put my phone in there. Yeah, that's a really good size pocket right there. And the material is the same Cordura that's on the outside. That's what it feels like, at least. And it's got the nice stitching at the edge here, so that it's not gonna fray. And this is a nylon material. There's at the bottom here, there's a little pouch, and I think this is where the umbrella piece would go. And this thing is cavernous, it's huge. So that's, I believe it's identical on the other side. So same thing, patch, pocket, cup holder, pencil holder. And then this side, oh, this side's a little different. So this side has these stitching here. So my finger goes down like this, and it's stitched, partitioned up. Whereas this side is just one piece, so my whole hand can fit in there. And I think that's a good spot for a mini, I believe. More pencil holders. I actually love pencil holders. I'm starting to play more tournaments, and I think pencil holders are great. Moving to the back to the bag. Again, these buckles, they come off like this, and this gets buckled into the cart that RidgeRoller makes. But in the meantime, while you're using it as a backpack, you leave them buckled in. We got a little bit of a red loop here, and we got some more loops. We got a sternum strap with a little bit of elastication right there. So I think that's cool. The padding is actually very thick. I believe with this new version, the padding is a little bit thicker than the old version, which I really like. And then we got this straps right here. It's got a little bit of a elastic piece to hold the straps together, which I think is pretty cool. I usually, most backpacks that I purchase, I actually have to put a Velcro on myself. So this is a nice touch that it comes with this. We got the two 3D pads. I think they're about 1/2 inch thick, which is nice. Either 1/2 inch or 3/4. So that's a really nice padding there. And then like got an airflow, same Cordura material. Stitching all looks really nice, but it's not hard. It doesn't feel hard. You think it'd be hard with the frame, but the frame is built in a way where this piece does not feel hard at all. And then we go to the bottom. And the bottom has these rubber feet or rubber pieces that lifts the bag off the ground. And this is material that's it's like rubberized material that I think comes off of like some kind of canvas or something. but it's a nice thick material. I don't think water's gonna be able to get in. There's a zipper here. I believe the zipper is to take these garments off and take the whole frame out, and then if you want to have a different color wrap, like with the color in exterior, you can take the frame out and then put a different color onto the frame and basically have a whole new backpack. So that's what they do there. So yeah, so I think that's actually really cool backpack. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff some discs in here so you guys can see what it looks like. And I love the fact that the Rainfly comes with its own pouch. I think that's super duper cool. I'll put the discs in here so you can see what it looks like, and then I'll put the Rainfly. So we'll get that started right now. All right, I got all the discs in here now, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with all the discs in there. Now, normally I don't carry this many discs with me, whether it's a tournament round or a casual round, but I wanted to show you the capacity that this bag has. Also, the side pockets, I normally don't carry discs in my side pockets on any bag. I normally use the side pockets for first aid kit, extra towels, extra socks, a t-shirt, anything like that to put in the side pockets, and my rangefinder and things like that. But this bag is really, really big, and I think it's pretty cool the way that's set up, and I wanted to show you guys those things. So first thing is the putter pockets right up here. You can probably fit one more putter in here, but I like my discs to come in out of the bag nice and slides like this. That's why I like it. Now, like I said, you can put a third one in here, but it's really tight if you do that. Maybe over time it will slide fine for you, but as of right now, not really. Then the next pocket, there's 4 putters in here, but you can see you can actually put another disc in there, and there's 5. You can actually put probably 5 to 7 drivers in here, to be honest with you. I think it's just got so much space in here. The side pockets, there's 4 drivers in here, but I think you can do 5 drivers if it's stretched out enough, but I only put 4 in there for now so you guys can see how much space it has. The main compartment down here is 15 discs, and the reason why I like 15 is because I like to be able to pull the disc in and out like that. I tried putting 16 in here and it's really tight, but I do have 3 mid-ranges here, and all of these are fairway drivers. Well, this is a fairway driver, and so is this. So I only have 1, 2, 3 distance drivers down in the main compartment. The rest of them are fairway drivers or mid-range. But again, it's kind of tight. It's hard for me to put my hand in here to get a disc out, so I'm not a fan of that, so I would rather just carry 15. But I think that's why this pocket is here. So 15 plus 4, 5 is 20. 22 plus 4 on this side is 26 plus 4 on that side would be 30, and that's comfortably, like, see these discs come out pretty easily, so that's comfortably carrying 40. And I've seen people carry anywhere from 30 to 35 discs in this bag comfortably if they're carrying a lot of drivers, and they put it in this compartment right here. And then yeah, so I carry 6 putters plus 3 mid-range and a whole bunch of fairway drivers. So yeah, it's a pretty big bag. It can carry a ton of discs for what it is, and I can put it next to my pound bag really quick so you can kind of see the size of it here. So here's the pound bag right next to it, so you can see the width of the bags is a little different. This sits a little bit taller than this, but that's because it's got the seat. But the pound bag looks wide. The pound bag's going to be lighter though compared to the Ridge, but the Ridge has a built-in seat. But yeah, I like the fact that this can carry very comfortably 30 discs. That's pretty cool. Now with the disc in there, this is pretty heavy, but it feels nice and solid. So this is pretty heavy. That doesn't include all my other stuff in there yet. But like I said, I would not normally carry discs on the sides. I would take these out, and yeah, it's a hefty weight once the discs are in there. But overall, I wanted to show you guys that. Oh, all right, now that we got the Rainfly on, and it's actually pretty easy putting this Rainfly on. So there's a couple things. What makes it easy is that, number one, at the bottom of the bag, there's these 4 grommets where the they have a hole cut out, so that way you're not gonna be able to miss that these 4 are gonna make sure that the grommets come through the 4 holes, so that way you know how the bag goes on. Okay, and then there's the logo, which means this is gonna be in front. And then on the back here, there's a little black strap that goes all the way around like this to make sure that the Rainfly stays on. So I think that's pretty cool that they did that. And the way the fly works is that there's 3 Velcro pieces. There's one right here, another one right here, and another one right here. And that's how you access the main compartment with all your discs. So here's the putter pocket, here's this compartment, I'm not sure what this compartment's called, and then the main compartment. But that's literally how the Rainfly works. And I think that's it. That will conclude this unboxing and quick overview of the RidgeRoller backpack, Ricky Wysocki edition. All right, hope you guys liked that. I will have an in-depth review later after I've used it. I have a Prodigy review coming, Prodigy bag, BP, I think it's called BP version 3, BP1 version 3, coming up, and I'm in the process of editing that for next week. I have a pound bag Octahol review that I've been using all summer. I'm gonna do a review on that. And then obviously this one. And then I also got a Zuka cart from the Ledgestone Insurance Open Players Pack. So I used that for 2 rounds already. I'll do a review on that as well. All right, otherwise, you guys have a good week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.